Climb inside the 2013 Volkswagen Passat. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Diesel technology provides the optimal blend of power and efficiency, serving up excellent fuel economy and generous engine torque. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. All of the premium features expected of a Volkswagen are offered, including delay-off headlights, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, heated seats, power moonroof, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.